Hello students, now we will discuss about phylum Echinodermata. Echinodermata includes all marine organisms. So they include all marine organisms and they are considered as benthic organisms. These organisms live at the bottom of water. So they are called as benthic. They have spiny skin on the upper or outermost surface of the body. Coming to body shape. Body shape is disc-like, is star-like or cylindrical in shape. Coming to symmetry. Basically, adult echinoderms are radially symmetrical and their larval forms are bilaterally symmetrical. Radial symmetrical means if we cut the organism in any plane through the central axis, we will get two equal halves. Bilateral symmetry means if we cut from anterior to posterior and from left to right, then only we will get two equal halves of the organism. That is called as bilateral symmetry. In case of Echinodermata, adult forms are radially symmetrical and larval forms are bilaterally symmetrical. They are triploblastic organisms, means during their embryonic development, they show three germ layers called as ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. Echinoderms are considered as deuterostomes. During the embryonic development, blastopore first converts, means it gives rise to anus and then later mouth. Such organisms are called as deuterostomes. But if blastopore gives rise first to mouth, they are called as protostomes. So here blastopore gives rise first to anus. Such organisms are called as deuterostomes. And echinoderms are called as true coelomates. So they are also called as enterocoelomates because they show enteron, nothing but digestive system or gut-like structure. So these are echinoderms are enterocoelomates. This deuterostome is coming to taxonomic category. It comes under subphylum. So deuterostome is considered as subphylum. Echinoderms show organ system level of organization. Organ system level of organization. Next, coming to skin of echinoderms. Skin is made up of calcareous spines. Calcareous means calcium carbonate is present. It also shows on its arms small outgrowths which are called as pedicellaria. These pedicellaria are helpful, means their morphological structure is claw-like or jaw-like structure and they are useful for cleaning of the body from the dirt or from the debris. These are jaw-like structures and small outgrowths These are used to clean body from attached dirt or debris. Next, endoskeleton is made up of calcareous plates. These calcareous plates are also called as dermal ossicles. Also called as so function of this dermal ossicles is giving protection to the body and rigidity to the body. Next, coming to water vascular system. So, coming to water vascular system is also termed as ambulacral system or a hydraulic system in which water is pumped through one of the part, means it is entered into the body through one of the part called as madreporite. This water which has entered into different types of canals from madreporite, it supports in locomotion, respiration, excretion, so and also in capturing of food, means it is doing a multi-purpose work. A group of canals which constitute the formation of water canal system or water vascular system or ambulacral system are doing multi-purpose works. So this is very important or distinct or unique feature in case of echinoderms. Water vascular system is a distinct feature of a group of stone canal nerve ring, radial canal, tube feet and tideman's body. So you please note down these made up of calcareous plates which are also called as dermal plates that gives rigidity and protection to the body. Here I will give you the diagram. I have drawn 5 arms. So we will extend one arm. There are 9 number of tideman bodies. And here I have written just an water vascular system representation in starfish. So it is having how many arms? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 arms. So we can give labelings. This part is called ampulla. And this is called podium. and this bottom part is called sucker. Now, ampulla, podium, sucker, three constitute one tube feet. So we can call this is tube feet. So these red color dot like structures are Tideman's bodies. They secrete amoebocytes or phagocytes that help in killing the bacteria or the parasites that has entered into the body. This is called madreporite. Here somewhere will be some anus-like structure. There is no place to write. So this is called as stone canal. This is called radial canal. So we have written tube feet, Tideman's body, stone canal, radial canal, and also this ring-like structure, nerve ring. We don't have place here. Okay. So here I have represented the water vascular system in case of starfish with 5 arms and also 9 number of Tideman's bodies, 1 stone canal, 1 madreporite. So these are called as pores, dot-like structures, and this total area, one part, is called as groove. This empty space, this one is also called as ampulla. Here also we see the structure of ampulla in case of tube feet. So water vascular system, it does the functions like locomotion, excretion, food capturing, respiration, and transport of food also. So next one is mouth is present on ventral side or lower side. Anus is present near to the madreporite. So this will be anus. Anus is on the upper side or dorsal side with madreporite. This madreporite is a perforated plate that permits entry of water into water vascular system. Next is respiration is with help of gills. Those gills are called as dermal branchia or papillae. So in most of this type of structures are present in starfishes. And respiration is also by body surface. Means echinoderms does respiration by body surface and also by gills. Next is circulatory system. Circulatory system is highly reduced type of circulatory system, but it is open type. So circulatory system is reduced type, but it is open type. Means blood is not flown inside or within the blood vascular structures or blood vessels. There is no heart, there is no coloring pigment. For suppose if we take human beings, we have hemoglobin as coloring pigment or respiratory pigment. That is not present in case of echinoderms. So, and there is no excretory system. Waste material is diffused out of body by the process of diffusion or through anus. They excrete the gaseous form of ammonia. They are called as ammonotelic. Next, coming to nervous system. Nervous system includes one nerve ring around the madreporite area and sexes are separate. That is said as they are unisexual or dioecious organisms. They do not have head or brain but have simple sensory organs. So here I have written they do not have head or brain. Fertilization is external and development is indirect with help of bipinnaria larva. This larva is considered as is of bilateral symmetry. Now starfishes sometimes when they feel they are under danger, so during their defense mechanism, they will break out their arms that is holded by the other opponent or the organism that is going to eat this starfish. Then at that time, it breaks off its arms during defense. But later it can regrow that arm. That nature is called as regeneration capacity, means having regeneration capacity, and that process is called as autotomy. Means defending itself from the predator. Next, coming to in case of sea cucumbers and also in case of sea urchins also. We have to write sea urchins. In case of sea urchins, when they feel that the predator is going to eat them, or when they are angry or when they are under stress, then they vomit some of the anterior part of visceral organs just to make the predator get frightened. Such condition is called as evisceration. Making the predator to get a fear. That phenomenon, total phenomenon, is called as evisceration. Here in case of starfish, they are breaking off their arms during defense mechanism from the predator. That phenomenon is called as autotomy. Sometimes evisceration is considered as same. Coming to the defense mechanism, both terms are said to be of equal meaning. So these are few points regarding the characteristic features of Echinodermata. So what are examples under Echinodermata? We can see examples like starfish, sea urchins, next sea cucumbers, sea lilies. Starfish. Starfish is also termed as asterias. Next, sea lilies, which are also called as antedon. Sea urchins are also termed as echinus. Echinus. Next one, sea cucumbers are also termed as cucumeria. So all these are the characteristic features of Echinodermata.